Welcome to Silent Hill. M50 power is making clouds and fog and mist. Hello, Mr. Broken Dreams S13. Smoking. So the plan for today is to take out the bumpers, take out the skirts, mount the new ones, and check how it will look like on the car, because it's time to actually make it look even lower. Easy. So Eugene decided to cut my car with a knife. She's a maniac, maniac. Why are you cutting my car? Please stop cutting my car. Some nasty chain noises coming from the gearbox or engine bay. We will figure out when next time visiting the workshop. Well, this is how it looks without all the plastic pieces. We do not have too much of problems on the body, so this side is very healthy. All good here. Some unpainted areas that I need to take care of, like that. Some a bit of a surface rust, not a big deal. On the rear, everything is good as well. So the rear end is looking pretty healthy. Somebody decided to cut this piece and weld the flat floor, so I can do nothing with that. Maybe adding a bus bar would make sense. But on this side, we see some nasty repairs. So check this out. This is the hole. And not sure how much I care, so I think I will get rid of this body filler, and I need to understand what is the size of the problem. So here as well, and we see that the hinges are welded, so definitely this left side either was hit in the past or just rusted because of the conditions it has been seen through his life. But all in all, it's not looking too bad. Like only this side, only this corner basically needs some attention. Now enjoy the time lapse of us putting all things together. So we have a compromise solution because not everything was ideal, and let me show you how it looks like. Still some noises from the gearbox, but we have the body kit mounted. Looking kinda cool. Now the best part in this car is taillights. The rest is either crusty or bad quality or bad fitment. Yeah, I'm waiting for the new wheels delivery very soon. They will go to the front axle. Would be nice add-on to the new aggressive look. Finally running on all 6 cylinders. But yeah, I kinda like it. Now it's more of a race car look, so it's far from good. Good from far. 3 meters, okay. But yeah, not yet disappointed. Stage 2 of today, we have Skyline on ugly wheels. So we have NK RPF 1 18s by 10. And it's time to mount them, at least on the front axle, because we are running out of time today. So this beautiful wheel goes to the front axle. We have all 4 in the car, but not much time. And also today we have to mount the front fenders. Here they are. Yeah, let's do that. Oh, and new steering wheel. Kinda looks cool. We are lacking time, so we are not installing the GTR fenders today. So we have the wheels installed. For the next training I'm going like that with the old cutted fenders. I don't care much for now. And because I did put the old steering wheel to my sim racing setup, right now it's time to unbox the new steering wheel. Here it comes. Same one as we have in the yellow Nissan. Black Friday deal. Quite cheap, like 200 euros or even a bit less. And we have a quick release. So I'm mounting the quick release first so that the position is static, and then mounting the steering wheel. First time connecting to the ECU with my Android phone. It would be cool to have the tablet here, but for now, in the test mode. Oh, by the way, I didn't show you the steering wheel. It's there, it's mounted. We have some angle. So nothing is happening. Could not connect. What happened? Let's try to be closer. Perfect. Now we can see the revs, we can see the pressure, the boost, we can see the coolant temp, intake, temperature. It's -4 right now. Voltage, lambda, fuel duty, so a lot of parameters. So it was not easy to pair the Android phone. For some reason it was not connecting with from the first time, but we've managed to reboot everything. Yeah, and now it works. Thanks a lot guys for watching this video. Please consider subscribing, leave a comment and push the like button. This will help the channel grow, because in the next video you will see the real life tests of the 500 horsepower Skyline R33. I'm also adding the 360 camera, so it should be exciting. So see ya in the next one.